Hey everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to force Windows to use your dedicated GPU instead of integrated graphics. Let's dive right in. First, open Settings on your PC. Once you are in the settings, click on the gaming option. Once you are there, now, you'll see a submenu with 3 options. We're going to click on Game Mode. Once you're in, go ahead and click on Graphics Settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the games and apps installed on your PC. To make sure Windows uses your dedicated GPU for a specific game or app, select it from the list and click on Options. A new menu will pop up. Change the setting from Let Windows Decide to High Performance, and then select your dedicated GPU. Click Save when you're done. Repeat this process for each game or application you want to run on your dedicated GPU. It's a simple way to boost performance. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy way to force Windows to use your dedicated GPU. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.